problems that our world is facing today. And I would like to tell you that this is the best solution for most of our great problems. I would like to tell you that the solution I am going to discuss today is one of the most important solution for us, and I believe recycling is that solution. Today I will be discussing with you that why is recycling considered so important, and how can we reduce the amount of trash which is going into our landfills, and how we can persuade other people to participate in this act. But first, I would like all of you to see this logo. You must have seen this logo on dustbins and a trash box. There are three arrows forming a closed loop representing a cycle. Each arrow has its meaning: reuse, reduce, and recycle. Our most emphasis will be on the recycling phenomena, but I will give you a short overview that what does reuse and reduce mean. By reduce, we not only mean to reduce the amount of waste that is going into our landfills, but also to reduce the amount of dangerous chemicals and harmful and potential toxins which is going into our soil and air, and which is polluting our environment. And by the word reuse, we tend to extend the usage of such materials which can be used again and again after it had been recycled. And the third word, recycle, of course, which tells us that we should adopt this as a habit or make it our lifestyle, that we should be using things that are made from recycled products. So now I'm going to tell you about the importance of recycling. At the beginning of the presentation, I told you that recycling is the solution to our most of the biggest problem. What is our biggest problem? The world is facing today is energy crisis. Then recycling saves energy. Because let me give you a general example of it. That in order to manufacture a product obtained from the raw materials obtained from the recycled products, the energy required to produce it is very much less as compared to the production of a material for which we have obtained the raw materials from the virgin products. On a block of a recycling plant, I read there that it requires more energy. It requires more energy to manufacture a brand new aluminium can than to recycle 20 aluminium cans. So you can just imagine, like, to manufacture a brand new aluminium can cost more energy as compared to recycle the 20 aluminium cans. Another big problem that our world is facing is global warming and the greenhouse effects. Well, recycling, by recycling in the sense that it reduces the amount of energy which is spent on industrial production, the recycling is minimizing that energy, and hence it is enabling us to fight against the global climatic changes, and it is actually helping us to fight against the challenges of the greenhouse gases emission. Another great problem that our world is facing today is that we are running out of natural resources, completely out of natural resources. The biggest problem is that especially we are running out of fuel resources. Most of the fossil fuels that are used in our industries include coal, diesel, gasoline, etc. When we burn this sort of fuel, it emits harmful gases which is polluting our environment. Well, by the help of recycling and minimizing the energy spent on this industrial production, we can actually limit this usage of fuel. We can actually minimize it, and with the help of minimizing, we can actually conserve these fuel resources for our upcoming generations, and we can in fact keep the balance of nature intact. There was a report issued by the United States Environmental Protection Agency for the state of Texas in 2004. According to the report, in the year 2004, the state of Texas recycled over 1 million tons of aluminium, and by recycling that 1 million tons of aluminium, they saved nearly 1.3 million tons of aluminium ore and 720,000 tons of coal. And through recycling the newspapers and timber wood and office paper, they saved nearly 8.2 million trees. Just for your awareness, these are some common household products that we use every day. Just for your awareness, I'm going to show you some basic products that we can recycle. These are, sorry for not using a colored transparency. These are the cement bricks, the concrete bricks. We can recycle them. We can, in a similar manner, we can recycle the ceramic tiles. We can recycle the marble tiles, etc. These are normal batteries, AA batteries. We can recycle them. We can recycle other batteries. This is biogenic waste. We can recycle this too. This is the picture of a computer, a working computer, which shows you that you can also recycle electronic and electrical components too. This is a picture of a metal scrap in form of a metal. It shows you that we can recycle all sorts of steels, metal, especially aluminium. We can recycle plastic, we can recycle glass, we can recycle timber wood. I was doing my research of Pakistan's contribution in recycling, and I found some very bright things. Company named Green Earth Recycling started its operation in Pakistan as a plastic recycling company. Lahore in the year 2009 recycled 21.2% of its recyclable waste, which generated an amount of rupees 271 million. Through the informal sector and according to the officials, if the same practice would have been carried by the formal sector, then the profit would have risen up to like 65 billion. And recently, a few months ago, Pakistan has taken up the initiative of mobile recycling. So, I guess what we need to do is we need to take some time out, think about it, try to perceive it with other people, because, and keeping this fact in mind that the 80% of the
चैंप आ गया चैंप इधर देख